Welcome back to the channel. We're in Huber Heights, Ohio at Buc-ee's for a construction update. Today is May 3rd, 2026, and it's windy today. Very windy today. So today marks almost the 1 month anniversary from when this store opened. We came down here today because there definitely is a construction update to report on. That 125 foot tall sign has been installed. They got it completed last week. Unfortunately, it's very windy today, so we weren't able to get some great drone footage, but we did risk it and get it up there and at least get you an aerial shot of what the sign looks like in place. Still looks like they need to get that pole painted black, but it is now in the air, so didn't look like they really needed that advertising, as busy as this place has been. And today's no different. It's very, very busy down here today. Yeah, it's a Sunday, and you would think it was a Saturday. But that's to be expected. It's Buc-ee's and everybody loves the place. Still need to put some stop signs in certain spots so you can get through. Yeah, I don't see a whole lot of improvement in the parking lot chaos down here, but I don't think that'll ever change. Well, they got you one lane when you come in so you can come straight to the back, but there's no stop signs for the people coming out of Buc-ee's, so there's two. Yeah, they're blocking that entrance to go straight, and if the first guy is nice, there's 2 lanes. I mean, how are you supposed to really get across there? And then when that red light backs up, it completely closes off that pathway to the road that leads you to the back parking lot. So just a real mess, and I don't really ever see it improving any. Now, getting out's just as bad because those people that are in the first lane here trying to get out, and the people that are coming out of the back end, and you have someone who wants to either go to the right, someone wants to go to the left, and you got all this traffic sitting here waiting for someone to move. So it's a chaos. Well, anyhow, back to the construction updates. The Buc-ee's logo is not on the roof yet. There are still no EV chargers in place, and we are standing on what will be the bike area, and it is not completed yet either. We posted a short not too long ago. One of our viewers asked us if there was any smokers outside for sale, and we just checked, and I didn't see any. We didn't see any. Now, I'm not going to say there might not be some inside in the store somewhere, but at least on the outside, we didn't see any. We'd like to give a shout out to the latest Follow the Arrows channel member, SC Walker 471. Thank you for becoming the newest FTA family member. Thank you. If anybody else out there would like to support the channel, it's just 99 cents a month to become a Follow the Arrows channel member. So the 4th of July merchandise is now in the store. We're going to take you inside and show you as much of it as we can. It's very busy in there, so might have to work around some people and some crowds, but I think we can give you a pretty good idea of what they've got in there for the America's 250th birthday celebration. We might even try and get a different food item if it's not too busy, if the lines aren't too bad, because we refuse to wait in long lines when we can come down here at other times when it's not so busy. But if it's not too bad, we might grab a food item that we haven't had before and bring it to you here. So we're going to go inside and show you what they've got. Follow us. The gas prices today: $4.49.9 for regular, $4.99.9 for plus, $5.49.9 for super, diesel's $5.59.9, and the ethanol free is $5.29.9. Right inside the main door, we run into our first 4th of July holiday decoration. It's the inflatable Buc-ee with the happy 250th USA banner. So they still have a few of these left. They are $69.98. Okay, we've got a stuffed Buc-ee in honor of the 4th of July and 250th birthday for America. Sonya's going to go ahead and show it to us. How much is that, Sonya? It's $14.98. There you go. And remember, the stickers on here are actual stickers. Bonus sticker, bonus sticker for you. Bonus sticker. Tags are stickers. There you go, guys. We've got a basket full of the patriotic plush just inside the north entrance. All 3 entrances have this 250 anniversary display for the 4th of July.
Here's the official 4th of July America 250 design shirt. This is the front, and this is the back. These shirts are $14.98 for the youth sizes and $17.98 for the adult. And we see them from small up to extra large, but I don't see anything larger than an extra large, at least not on this display. And there's the America 250 Ducks. Those are $4.98.
$4.99.
$4.99. Go ahead and show us one of those, Sonia. It's a pretty cool design there. Maybe you go out in the parking lot and find one on your Jeep.
Maybe.
There's the Buc-ee's America 250 plush that we showed you earlier. Now here's something different here. It looks like a sweater.
It's a candle.
It's a candle to look like a sweater.
$18.98.
$18.98. It's got the America 250 design. Does it tell us what that scent is? Apple pie.
It smells like apple pie.
Well, there you go. I've also got these NASCAR candles over here. I'm not real sure what the tie-in is to the 4th of July here, but they've got it on the display. It's a candle. Wood smoke bourbon. It's got the Buc-ee's NASCAR design on the side. Looks like almost looks like what, an oil can or a gas can.
Hi, gas pump.
Just like every holiday, we've got this random display of socks and ties and what is all Sonia?
Hair
ties,
clips, bow ties, socks, scrunchies.
You see this for every holiday, and truthfully, I really don't know who buys this stuff because you don't usually see an empty display here.
Well, the hair clips are different. I haven't seen those before in some of the other stuff.
$7.98 for that one.
Yep.
The patriotic design. That's not a bad piece there.
Yeah.
You see this display is looking a little empty, so there's probably some things missing here. Here's the display at the south end of the store, and you can see it's looking a little bare. Okay, at the south entrance, we found a couple of the 4th of July cups. There's a 4-in-1 drink cooler.
It holds 12-ounce cans, 12-ounce bottles, 12-ounce slim cans, and 14-ounce tumbler.
And what's the price on that, Sonia?
$14.98.
We also found this Yukon Outfitters double pint 32-ounce patriotic tumbler cup. I see no price on this. I don't see anything on the shelf. My guess is they're not free. Very limited quantities of these in the store. We only found them at the south entrance as far as when we're in here right now. So I'm not quite sure on the price on that, but if anyone out there knows, drop it in the comments. And a rare non-branded item, we've got the Snoopy's Land of the Free, Home of the Brave, USA 250th anniversary or 4th of July shirt for $17.99. I want you guys to see how hard it is for them to keep these shelves stocked here at this Buc-ee's due to the volume of people coming through here. I mean, you don't often see that much emptiness on their shelves. And look at how light they are on their sandwiches that people are just taking them as they put them out. Normally, you see these shelves stocked. There's one down here that's completely empty. People just standing around waiting for them to stock it. Even these club melts, which last time we had them weren't very good. There's not too many of those left. We got one thing of beaver chips right there. Got the display cases here for the chicken sandwiches and the chicken and fries. Completely empty. Everywhere you look in the store, long lines and chaos. empty these shelves are. So we've decided that we are going to try a whoopie pie for a food item today. Never had one before. Sonia's going to go up to the counter and get us a red velvet whoopie pie.
I get one of the red velvet whoopie pies. Thank you so much. All right, we've got the whoopie pie.
Hi. How you doing today?
Good.
Sure can. Total $13.50. $6.85. $6.85.
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
Thanks, you have a good day. Thanks for coming in. Safe travel.
You too.
Okay, today we decided to go with something we haven't had before. Got a red velvet whoopie pie, and we're going to attempt to eat that here on the tailgate of the Jeep as this Ohio wind rages behind us.
And the red velvet whoopie pies are $3.19. You order them up by the pastry area. They put it in a bag for you and put a little tag on it.
So we're going to go ahead and drink our Diet RC. You know, we used to drink Diet Right. They stopped making it. And now we had to switch to this RC Zero Sugar.
Diet Right had no aspartame, and this has some other kind of sugar in it, but it wasn't aspartame.
So we were fortunate enough, the reason that we are having this whoopie pie is we were fortunate enough the lines on the north entrance were very light compared to the main entrance.
Yeah, the middle.
So and the line at the bakery subsided to where we could actually get up there and get the whoopie pie because it was...
Yeah, you couldn't even get near it at one point. That whole thing from the jerky all the way down to the bakery area.
Yeah, it's a lot of chaos in there.
Yeah, and it's Sunday.
I think that probably most Buc-ee's are like this on the weekends, and we just never realize it because we only stop when we're traveling. But
now we have time to stop and actually look at things.
But it's very picked over in there. I mean,
yes.
It's not any knock on the employees. They can't keep up with this demand. Yeah, so anyhow.
They're carrying beaver chips from the back wherever they're fixing them. It's like you can get mugged on the way over to the line.
I'm surprised people are just taking them as they go. But anyhow, we've got our whoopie pie. We got our Diet RC.
And if you can't find forks, get them at the register on your way out. They have forks, spoons, and napkins.
So let's show them what this is all about. Let's see, the best way to get in here.
I should have got a tray.
Okay, we actually have a handy tray here that we can put the whoopie pie on.
We carry a couple trays in each of our vehicles, so we go dine out somewhere. We have somewhere to put our food on. They're not that expensive if you buy them in stores.
So there you have it, the red velvet whoopie pie. And I can't say I've ever had a whoopie pie. Have you, Sonia?
I can't say I have either, so we're going to see how great it tastes. It looks really good.
First time is right here at Buc-ee's. Sonia, I'll let you have the first bite.
Well, that's really good.
I'll have the official second bite.
It's a cake in between a bunch of icing, vanilla icing, drizzled with vanilla icing.
Very good. A little bit of a sugar rush.
Yeah, you're gonna get your rush of sugar. So if you have children, don't give them too much.
So
if you're traveling.
So we're gonna go ahead and finish this off, and we'll come back and wrap up this video. Okay, we are back. We have polished off the red velvet whoopie pie. Have to say I was very impressed with that item.
Yes, I was. It was really good.
Never had one before.
Nope.
And I think we were talking, Sonia said they have two other variations beside the red velvet, the birthday cake and...
Yeah, it was chocolate.
So maybe next time we'll try one of those. If you guys have had the whoopie pies here at Buc-ee's, let us know if you liked them and which one of those flavors is your favorite. Let us know in the comments.
So we're going to try each of them eventually.
So one thing I want to mention before we get out of here, this is my favorite Buc-ee's item to buy when we're at Buc-ee's, and now have them quite a bit more often than I used to. But these are the triple chocolate cookie bites, and I don't know why, but that's become my favorite Buc-ee's item. So if you guys agree with me and you like these, let us know in the comments. If not, let us know what your favorite snack item is at Buc-ee's. So it's been a month since Buc-ee's opened, roughly. I mean, it's Sunday the 3rd, and they opened on April the 6th. This video is going to go up on the 5th or 6th, so they'll have a month under their belts by the time you're watching this. It's broke all kinds of records, and even today, busy, busy, busy. Chaos inside, a lot of empty shelves. We tried to give you a review of the 4th of July America 250 merchandise. Probably going to be the worst one you see on YouTube, just for the fact that so much of the stuff was picked over and not even available.
Yeah, I couldn't find a lot of it because it's hard to find.
So they put it out on Tuesday, and it's Sunday, and it's already that picked over, which is great for them. And you know, there's a long way to go till the 4th of July, so I don't know if the plans are to restock. You know, once that initial rush hits the stores, you know, maybe it'll level out some. But then again, with holiday merchandise, you know, how much of that do you want to carry? You really don't want to be stuck with it after the fact. So
yeah, because you know they don't discount it at the end. So
yeah, there are no sales. So having a Buc-ee's this close to us is new. So we never really got to experience, you know, what happens with holiday merchandise when it comes out. How quickly does it go? How much is left at the, you know, at the holiday itself afterwards, or do they restock? So this is all new to us, and that's why we came down here today to kind of, first of all, we wanted to show you the new sign that's been installed.
yes.
Because that's what this channel was all about, was the Buc-ee's construction update videos. And we had a Buc-ee's construction update. So we did look around on the inside of the store for the smokers that one of our viewers asked about. We did not see any in there.
The wind's kicked back up.
Yeah, we're standing at the tailgate of our Jeep with these grand opening flags behind us, and this Ohio wind is just wreaking havoc down here today. We're very fortunate to get a little drone footage of the new sign.
Yeah, it's getting a lot of high, strong wind warnings up there, and you shouldn't really be flying too much with that.
So we're grateful we got that. One other thing to note, as far as like an update, on the inside of the store, there's still no press penny machines.
No, not yet.
And we have heard that they were supposed to get them. So we will see. As of now, a month into the operation, they're still not here.
Right.
So I think that's going to do it for today. We'd like to thank you for joining us. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget the hype button.
Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. As always, thanks for watching.
And we'll see you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.